Hey everyone, this is Gene. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. I've been working in the industry for about 15 years. And you know how they say that some foods are like a work of art, that the chef just really took his time, made it look beautiful? Well, today we're going to be making photos of some food into art. So it's going to be kind of interesting. Let's go get started. So everybody knows just how bad fast food is for you. However, that being said, it's really easy to incorporate into your art. Now, you can make all sorts of crazy political statements with it. You can make all sorts of, just adding a little bit of texture or flavor to your drawings or your paintings. Real simple to just find an image online, print it out. You can get in there and cut into it and just use, only the parts that you want to use in your drawings. To incorporate these into your art. And this is kind of the old-fashioned way to do things. Obviously, modern times we'll use Photoshop. We won't necessarily need scissors and paper. And really, scissors and paper are kind of old-fashioned. This is one of the things you can do with your kids too. Have them find photos of their favorite meal and put their favorite meal together. Or maybe one night you guys are just sitting around and your child wants to have a little bit of say in what they're eating for dinner. So go through a couple of magazines or just search on the internet and have them put together a full meal, and then they can either do a collage, or if you don't find images, you can just take and grab our trusty child-safe glue stick here, put a bunch of glue on the back of that, bam! We've got this nice double-decker cheeseburger here. And so have them draw something they would like to eat with their cheeseburger, maybe. Maybe they want to just come in here and get some fries with their cheeseburger. So you can have them just incorporate the images into their actual art. Maybe it's another exercise like what goes with a cheeseburger. And they can just draw some fries there for you, and you can help them out a little bit. G for Gene's fries. Maybe you can incorporate other animals. Like, I know one of the little known facts about cows is they actually love cheeseburgers and fries. So this is actually a friend of mine and I were driving through the woods, and we saw an empty fast food bag along the side of the road. This is kind of more of a T-Rex. T-Rexes and all kinds of dinosaurs like fast food too. So maybe you have this curious little baby T-Rex, and he's just chilling, and he's like, I have no idea what that is, and my teeth are huge, even though I'm a little baby T-Rex, but I like cheeseburgers. I mean, who can blame me, right? So you've got a T-Rex, you've got some French fries, you've got a cheeseburger. The main thing is you just want your child involved in getting creative at an early age. So there you have it. The only problem with making photos of food into art is that when you're done and you're hungry, you can't really eat them. And that's kind of a shame. But other than that, everything else is pretty cool about it. So go make yourself a sandwich now that we're done, and make sure you're well fed. Thanks for watching.